Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a graduation owl. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using a compass to draw the graduation owl. First of all, you have to draw a circle and then another one, and using the same size you have to draw another circle. Okay, now let's draw two more smaller circles. And two more. Okay, now let's do the outline with my black pen. You have to do it carefully because it should be circular enough. Okay. Not absolutely perfect, but good. Let's clean all the pencil marks. Now let's draw the hat. I will draw a diamond shape here. I'm marking the area, and now I will join everything together. Okay, it's looking perfect. Here's its claw, and now I'm drawing its body. Okay, now let's draw its wing. Here's its tiny beak. Let's complete its eyes. Here's some feathers. Let's do the coloring. I'm using yellow. For its wings, I'm using a dark brown color. Let's do it faster. For its body, I'm using a lighter brown color. Again, dark brown color inside its eyes. Let's color its eyeball with black pen. black cane for the hat. And now for the rest of the body, I'm using a pale orange color. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.